our new frame rail. We just have to cut this one now to match that one.
Yep.
Well, I say we, but Anthony's doing all that because this is Tony's body shop.
Measure it out, I'll cut it, and then we'll get it welded back on. That's it.
And Moxie's over there supervising, aren't you? She's like, you guys are boring. And what I did today is I took the old headlight from the car. This is the driver's side. I thought it was in good condition, but turns out it's like totally cracked on this side. This mounting bracket broke off. So even though it looked pretty good from the front side on the car, it's not. But we were able to salvage the harness off of it, the ballast, and my buddy had one in town. So I have... as I drop it. Converted it all over to this one. It looks like it's going to work perfect. Just plugged it in and tested it. Everything works perfectly fine. So that's awesome. Pretty much converted 2 headlights into one. This one was in pretty good shape. It was just missing all the bulbs and the harness. And so I was able to salvage that from mine. Sorry, I know my garage is a mess. But anyways, stoked on that. And now we have some extra parts for when the passenger one comes in. Not much off of this, but there's a couple bulbs and some wires and stuff that we can save. So all in all, that was a cheap fix, which is pretty awesome.
I read it.
Alright, update with the Z behind me. We have everything on order. Everything is on its way. Anthony has straightened the frame rail on the the passenger side, and we have a new frame rail that's going to go on right there. So we're just getting that all lined up. Really excited. We've got Mishimoto on board. They are sending us everything we need to get this motor running, which is basically the radiator and the intake. I think they're sending a couple other awesome items for the Z. And then we've got a couple more things coming, new hood hinges, the headlight brackets are coming, the, what else was there? There's some reinforcement brackets that go in front of the frame rail, and trying to decide if we want to do a bash bar or do a front bumper. Pretty much whatever is going to be cheaper, so it doesn't really matter. I think a bash bar would be cool. I think a front bumper would look cleaner, but we'll see. Making great progress and really excited to see this come together. It's only been 1 week since we picked it up, and it's literally just waiting for parts to get it all ready to go back out on the street.